Hey, what's up everybody? It is DJ Jer here with Shop Time, and this is my second video. If you haven't seen the first one, go check it out, go search it out. It's on YouTube. This is my second video on the Freedom H1, which is the new compact Freedom little series, and these things are really sweet. The nice thing you can do with these things, because of the compact, you really have so much flexibility in these fixtures. But the cool thing, it's just like all of their other Freedom series, you can actually communicate with one Freedom. It'll talk to every Freedom. So say you have a regular Freedom Hex 4 that is next to your DJ booth, you can actually use this remote. You can hit whatever you want it to do, and then it's going to activate and do that for all of the fixtures. So for instance, I've got this one in my hand. You can see that here. So as I change the color of one, which you can see the light coming this way and this light coming this way, it's actually going to change both of them, allowing them to communicate together. So I can change the light that's next to me, which is going to activate the light that's over on the other side of the room. So it's just like your regular Freedom series, except they're a nice compact. It's got the little plus, basically the kickstand or the stand for it to balance on the floor if you're using this as an uplight. Now this isn't going to replace your Freedom H or your Freedom Hex 4s or anything like that. What this is going to do is give you more opportunity. So using this under cocktail tables, putting this on the walls, magnetizing it to the wall. It's got a nice really strong magnet right here, which will allow it to go onto anything metal. And basically it also has the O-clamp clip, or the O-clamp hole, which you put your O-clamp in, and then you can put it on trussing, because obviously magnets aren't going to stick to aluminum. So again, a really cool little compact little uplight slash downlight slash table wash slash cocktail or cocktail glow. It's going to give you a lot of flexibility, and I'm pretty sure they're probably already sold out of their new shipment. So I've got 4 of them. Make sure you check out our other videos. We're going to be showing you how we're using these in the field and how it can give you the advantage when it comes to lighting. If you have questions, feel free to message me down below on the message, and let me know how you're using these fixtures and some other videos that you'd like to see regarding these fixtures as well. So you can message down below. I'll get back to your answers right away. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, guys. This is DJ Jer with Shop Time. We'll see you next time.